Something's going on in my house. The fridge is open. What's going on in here? What's happening?
So, I'm making cake.
Where are you supposed to be? Where?
I'm making bacon.
Right, but where are you supposed to be?
That's right.
Are you supposed to be in bed?
Mm-hmm.
Why aren't you in bed?
Because I'm making bacon. I'm making my say good idea.
Yeah, but it's not a good idea.
That's why I make you say that.
No, you're not going to make me say that that's a good idea. You need to go to bed, okay?
Audrey need me back in the morning.
Audrey needs you to make it in the morning?
Yeah, my name make pancakes.
Okay. Right.
I need to go to Kiki's right now.
No, you're not going to go to Kiki's.
Why?
Because, all right. Good night. You're going to bed. Bed.